I'm often asked what islands are open and what islands are closed. In this video, we're going to go through what's closing shortly in Phuket. Your glasses look really cheap, just letting you know.
Do they look cheap?
Yeah, they do.
They're Oakleys.
Yeah, but they do look cheap.
I like the green. I think it's nice. That's why we got so many views on one of my shorts, because of the green glasses. Anyway, start the video, would you?
Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Jay!
Hello, I'm Jay with cheap glasses.
And we're back.
Hello, we're back.
Are we allowed to say that? This is pretty much like the second video we filmed of 2024.
No, we've filmed
all the other ones we canned them before.
Yes.
We're going to be honest on our channel. Today we're actually going to talk to you about the islands that are going to start closing very soon.
Wait, it's only January. What islands are closing? That's ridiculous. They don't need to know about that. What's open?
Well, we want to get in front of the news because actually there's one reason we want to be honest with you. There's one reason we're doing this is because we put up this blog post about Similan and when it was going to close, and it went hugely viral. 8,000 people viewed it in 2 or 3 days.
Did I write that?
So no, you didn't. ChatGPT did.
Well done, ChatGPT-TZYK.
Anyway, we wanted to talk to you about what's going to close. Phuket does have some seasonal closure of islands, and some of the ones that will close soon will be Similan, Koh Ha and Koh Rock, Koh Kradan, Koh Muk, and Koh Nai. These are the further out islands. So if you're looking at our map,
so that's the video over. Well, you just mentioned that. Why didn't you got to pace yourself?
If you're looking at our map, Similan is out here.
Up here,
being a west coast destination, it closes when the wind starts coming from the west.
West side.
Okay. So most likely, Similan is going to be closed from May 16th.
May 16th, not now, May 16th.
And we'll reopen on October 15th.
October 15th, we'll reopen. Remember that?
People often ask us, is this normal? Yes, it's a normal Similan Island closure. It closes for 6 months of the year. It closes for a restoration project. And second, because being our monsoon and wet season, the wind comes from this way. And it's not great having boats going directly into the wind.
Also, the turtles do their rumpy-pumpy sexy time during that time as well.
And we'll have a video about that.
Yes! Turtle...
On Jay's OnlyFans.
Yes, right. Turtles OnlyFans. How do they do it with a flat?
Oh, let's not even talk about it. Oh, okay. Next coming down, not on the map down here, probably not even in the camera, Koh Ha and Koh Rock.
I've not been there yet. It's been 3 years and Sean's never sent me.
Koh Ha and Koh Rock normally closes for about 2 months, not for 6 months. The exact closure date we're not entirely sure of, but it's highly likely it's going to be the same as Maya Bay. And Jay knows when that opens and closes because he films it every year.
1st of August it closes.
And reopens?
1st of October.
So we're expecting Koh Ha and Koh Rock to follow the same closure time.
As Maya Bay, which is here, by the way.
Yes, as well as also
over to
the backside of Koh Lanta. In
the backside?
The Koh Kradan area. Now, Koh Kradan was voted last year as the most beautiful beach in the world.
Koh Crocodile, it's beautiful. I've been there. I went snorkeling there with the kids. It's lovely. It's really good there.
So they have brought in a national park closure period for it as well to keep it preserved.
Because it is a stunning, stunning beach. Make sure you book it up now. Go there now before it closes.
And then, as we did say, Maya Bay itself will close. We have done many videos on this. That does not mean that PP is closed.
No.
PP will be open.
PP is open. You can still go and have PP, but you just can't walk on Maya Bay. You can still go into Maya Bay and get your little selfie from the boat, like this picture here. That's right, but you just can't go and step on the beach itself.
Correct. So again, let's go through the dates and closures, and Kyle's going to put them up on the screen for you now.
Good job, Kyle.
Similan, we're expecting to close May 16th, and we'll reopen October 15th.
We think.
PP, we expect to close...
PP's not closing, Sean.
Maya Bay, we expect
Maya Bay's closing on the 1st of August.
And we expect it to reopen...
on the 1st of October.
Koh Ha and Koh Rock...
about the same time as PP. It's Maya Bay. I'm getting confused now.
Yes.
We think that Koh Ha and Koh Rock will close the same time as Maya Bay.
Same with Koh Kradan.
Koh Crocodile.
Okay. So again,
why are we doing this so early? We should just wait a couple of months and we can do this video. Then we know the times and the dates.
People now are starting to research for holidays during this period.
Are you researching already?
It's really important that we give them this information so that they can book the right tour that they would like to go on.
Okay.
Now, do understand for us as a company, we would still tell you that PP is one of the most popular tours that we do, even when Maya Bay itself is not able to be walked on.
That's right.
You can do sightseeing photos, you can still swim and snorkel, you can still go to beautiful places like Wong Long Bay, where my favorite tree is.
Wong Long Bay.
You can go to Lam Tong Bay.
Lam Tong Bay.
You can even go into Pillay Lagoon.
Pillay Lagoon. Have I got racist all of a sudden then, didn't I? A little bit. Yeah, I did. Can I just say, I love Maya Bay. As you probably know, if you watch our channel, you know it's one of my favourite places in the whole world. There are other beaches that are more beautiful than Maya Bay. So don't worry that the actual beach bit closes. You can still go and see some other beautiful beaches.
Correct. And also, don't worry.
Hold on. Shut up, Longtail.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. Don't worry though, because while those are closed, there are still a lot of destinations that remain open.
That's right.
So things like Phang Nga Bay, where James Bond Island is open.
That's right.
Hong Karabi is open.
That's right.
PP itself is open.
That's right.
Including Bamboo Island.
That's right.
Russia, Raya, Coral, Maiton,
King
Kai,
Island.
Naka, Rang, all open.
All open.
So there are many, many options available for you to go island hopping during the short closure periods that some of these islands have.
And the closures are important because it gives wildlife and the environment time to come back.
And recover.
And recover.
And we would say is that since Maya Bay has gone into this management plan.
Yes, it's much better.
The reef sharks have returned.
Yes, they have.
The coral has started to become
coral again,
and return to normal.
Yes.
And also they normally use the closure period to improve the systems of how they manage these marine resources.
That's right. Fix the paths and stuff.
Yeah, and then, again, last year they did some work on Maya Bay itself, on the pier, and then also on the actual entry area.
That's right.
And it's all great work.
Still have to enter the back end.
And as always, Jay will be there to film the very last day.
Yes.
And the very first day.
Yeah, I went there the first day and there was people there got there before me. I was really upset about that.
Yeah, well, I did tell you had to leave at 4 a.m.
Yeah.
And you said no way.
No way.
Not enough coffee in the world.
There's not enough coffee in the world to leave at 4 a.m. There might be enough donuts.
If you have any questions about the closures, you should drop them below. And we want to do a big shout out to John Donut, who
sponsored this video
by giving us enough sugar to film it. Didn't sponsor it anyway. We bought the donuts, but
thanks, John Donut.
Donuts on Phuket. John Donuts.
Yes, you'll see that video. We're doing a whole donut video later. You'll find out about this.
We just wanted to buy donuts and eat them, and so we figured we'd film it.
Anyway, that's closures and opens. Thanks for watching. Shall I wrap up?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't know that bit, did you?
No.
Walk off then. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. And buy John Donuts.